What is up YouTube, my name is John and today I will be reacting to Falling Up Wild Bird. Now this is another one of my Patreon requests, so thank you so much. This one comes from Cameron Griffiths and he says that Falling Up was a progressive post-rock band. They're my all-time favorite band. So we are going to check out this song right now. I have never heard of this band, I have never heard this song, and again I'm extremely sorry that I didn't upload all that many videos this week because I don't know man, the throat infection is still haunting me, still haunting my throat, and still doesn't want to go away even though I'm really trying to make it go away, but god damn it, it's really annoying. I'm going to try and pre-record some more videos today because today I'm feeling actually a lot better, so we'll see how that goes. But right now we're going to start with Falling Up Wild Bird with lyrics. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, now.
Come down here behind the hour. A day turns to gold. Follow my signal to sleep. You'll never grow old.
Love the acoustic guitar work.
Oh no, a flourish when the lights off. A sound outside your window. Now brace yourself into the
Get a little bit of a Catatonia vibe from the vocals actually.
all of us, all of us, all of us.
Yes.
We'll take shelter now. All of us, all of us, all of us. We've lost ourselves. Come down from above you. Down the drain by you will fly. And see them walk beneath you. See them walk beneath the eyes.
Man, absolutely love the vocal harmonies.
We'll take shelter now. All of us, all of us, all of us. We've lost
Beautiful.
and found here behind the wall. Someone left it on. Surrounded, sorrow and breach. It severed the phones.
Yeah, it's got that melancholic vibe for sure.
We'll find out where we're hiding. Protect the kids, they've come inside. All of us, all of us, all of us. We'll take shelter now. All of us, all of us, all of us. We've lost ourselves. Come down from
Great drumming as well.
above you. Down the drain by you will fly. And see them walk beneath you. See them walk beneath the eyes.
Love the guitar melody accompanying the vocals in the chorus here.
All of us, all of us, all of us. We'll take shelter now. All of us, all of us, all of us. We've lost ourselves. All of us, all of us, all of us. We'll take shelter now. All of us, all of us, all of us. We've
You know, it's just few notes, but it just freaking works for this genre so well. Oh. Damn, alright, we're at the end. Alright, so that was Falling Up, Wild Bird, with lyrics, and I thought lyrics would be actually in the video, but they are right here in the description. I will leave the link to this song, as always, in the description of this video, so if you want to check out the lyrics for yourself, they will be there. Alright, so this was, yeah, definitely heavy, those post-rock, almost, I would say, post-metal. Oh, well, more of a post-rock kind of feeling, and absolutely love the vocals, man. The vocals were really, really super, how would I put it, man? Super pleasant, kind of a, you know, they gave this, you know, as well as Catatonia, they just give this melancholic yet beautiful vibe, and I absolutely love that, especially when it's done right, and here it's done so freaking right. God, I mean, my throat is already starting to act up on me, so I will try to make this short, but yeah, I definitely did enjoy this song. Really enjoyed the acoustic guitar in the beginning. It really, you know, it really shined through, and immediately got those Catatonia vibes, as I said before. Also, this artwork that I'm looking at, just, it's, goddammit, where is it that from? It's looking really great. I don't know what it is. It's just some kind of girl in front of 3 windows. There is some kind of, I don't know, diamonds. I don't know, man. I don't really know, but it looks freaking fantastic. So maybe this is the cover art of the album. Maybe it's something completely random. I have no idea right now, but the song was freaking fantastic. Especially the chorus, you know, with the vocals just so freaking, I don't want to say in your face, because in this genre you can't really say that they are in your face, but really sounding powerful, and the way they were layered with those harmonies, god damn it, making it sound so freaking beautiful. And obviously the guitar melody accompanying them, especially in the second part of the chorus, was really freaking beautiful as well. And really beautiful ending as well. God damn it, the word beautiful will be used a lot today, alright? So yeah, the ending on the piano, and just, you know, just very, very subtle, somewhere in the back was this little melody going on, and gave up a really good atmosphere. And yeah, it felt, you know, just like the Catatonia song that I've reacted to. It felt beautiful, yet what was the word, goddammit? Melancholic. Yeah, melancholic was the word. Beautiful melancholy, that kind of stuff that you usually hear from bands from like Scandinavia, and yeah, up there from north. And I don't know where this band is actually from. I'm going to look that up afterwards, but god damn it, this was really beautiful. And I'm sorry if I'm sounding a little bit weird. I can already feel that my throat is starting to act up on me again. God damn it, it's so freaking annoying. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and my reaction to Falling Up, Wild Bird. It was really beautiful, I really enjoyed it. Great vocals, great composition, and everything sounded very, very, you know, Beautiful. Beautiful is the word of the day. Alright, so if you guys enjoyed this video, consider leaving a thumbs up and subscribe for more stuff, because as you know, there is always more videos coming your way. And if you feel like talking to me outside of YouTube, there are links to my social medias down in the description below this video, as well as a link where you can directly support my channel and what I do here, either by PayPal or on Patreon. So guys, again, thank you so much for watching, and thank you Cameron for requesting this song. I really enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video. So have a nice day, evening, night, or whatever you have right now. Cheers!